Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get your press-on nails to at least last 2 weeks. I had got these off of Temu and I just typed in press-on nails and they have a lot of nails on there, and I just wanted something all black. When I'm wearing these nails, I actually do hair also with them. So when I shampoo people's hair, they don't really come off. It may cause it to come off sooner if you're using them all the time, but they still last pretty long. So if your hands are not really in water or you don't do a lot with your hands, then they probably gonna last even longer than 2 weeks. But usually these last about 2 weeks for me. So what I'm doing now, I'm just buffing my real nails down, taking off anything that is causing the shine on them, so that way they can attach better. And then I'm going in with the the cuticle stick, and I'm pushing my cuticles back. That way when I push the nails in, my cuticles are not there pushing the nails upward, and as they grow, that causes it to not last as long. So these two major steps are what I do, and this is what really helps the nail to stay on longer. Oh, and also you need to cut your nails down. I'd cut them all the way down. Cut all your nails off. Don't try to leave them long. The shorter you cut them, where you don't have much nail left, then that also plays a part in getting your nails to last. So now I'm just going in and measuring which nail is going to fit right. And I like to have these already prepared instead of gluing it on one by one. Match up the nails, and then I will lay them down so I can just grab them as I go once I'm ready to use the glue. This glue that I use, I got this from the dollar store. You can use any nail glue. It was only $1, so it doesn't have to be a certain brand. It's the process of what you do to your nail that gets it to last the longest. It's not the actual brand you use. So I just make a dot as putting the glue onto my nail, and then I kind of, as you can see, like the size that I put on there. Then I kind of take the nail on there and smash it, kind of rub it. How do I explain this? I kind of take the nail and push it back into the cuticle. That way, as I'm doing that, the glue is spreading all across the nail. So you want to make sure that the glue is all over up under the nail. Even though it's only a dot on there, once you press it on, it should fill up the whole nail. If it's not filling up the nail, then you might need a little more. So the next important step that I use to make the nails last longer is when I'm pressing these nails on, I'm holding it down and I'm counting for like 25 to 30 seconds on each nail. This is also an important step. You don't want to press it on and then let it lift up too quick and then it's not attaching, because the glue, it dries quick, but it still takes time. So for each nail, you're going to be counting 25 seconds, and then you can move on to the next one. Make sure when you're pressing these nails down and the glue starts spreading, sometimes the glue comes from up under the nail, and then you have to press your fingers down, like your fingers get glued, the skin part. So you want to press that and make sure your fingers are not sticking to the glue. So here is the finished look on one of my hands. I'm going to go ahead and I don't even file or do anything to these nails. So I wear them like this. I like the matte look. You can go on there and take a gel polish over the top if you want it to be shiny, and then sometimes I take a gel light, and that will cause it from messing up the nail polish. But with me doing hair, it still doesn't really, the polish on here that they came with stays pretty good. So I used to put on the polish, but not anymore. But it will also help it not to come off. That top coat will help it not to come off longer. And what I'm doing here, I was just putting the cuticle oil on my nails to give it like that finished nail salon look. So here's the end result of how it looks. I hope this helps you in making your nails last longer.